Alright, I told myself I was gonna work on making my videos a lot more educational. So try to do a lot more talking and just trading in these. Right now we're just trying to look for um our daily bias right now. We see that price whip out previous day high. If we come down to the 4 hour, there's not much on the daily time frame that I see other than nothing. Not much. So tapped into this higher time frame, 4 hour fair value gap, unmitigated fair value gap. Let's see, price move, external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, external range liquidity, external range, internal. Did a move back external after we took out these highs, so definitely looking for a move back internal today, back down to some internal range liquidity. Let's see if we can start looking for some S&Ts. There are London lows right here. London lows are right here. London lows are right here. We also have another one of these lows right there. And then plenty of fair value gaps that we haven't filled yet. Got this order block right there. And then we have this unmitigated 45-minute order block to the downside. So this is gonna look for the same thing on ES. ES has my cursor at, bro. I need to change my cursor color. I can't even see anything. So this is at 5 a.m. Why? Okay, these charts are on the fucking. So the 1 hour, and then we're on a 30-minute here. And go to the 30-minute. So no SMT there other than this bullish SMT. ES also has those lows, London lows right there as well. There's no lows right there for NQ. So, and then we also have these lows as well. So, since we have, we've been extremely bullish and there's no bearish SMT at these highs. Let me check again before I say that. Yeah, there's no bearish SMT. Maybe other than just this fair value gap, but I would like to see something a lot stronger. Because as you guys can see here, we tapped into this fair value gap, but didn't tap into this fair value gap up here. But NQ did, I believe. Or did we? No, we haven't. So yeah, there's no SMT on this. I wouldn't be surprised to see price continue to just run up. But we're just following our, I think what you call it is daily profile. Matter of fact, I genuinely have no idea. But we'll just be following our daily profile, if that's what it's called. Its price moves external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. We are reacting off of this fair value gap though, so we want to see it get disrespected before we just jump in shorts. If we form SMT here, like if NQ takes out these highs, we'll also like to see ES take out these highs before we do decide to go long. So we want to see that SMT hold to the downside to ensure that we're taking good shorts. So if we come down to the 1 minute time frame, let's come down to like the 5, matter of fact. Don't want to be going too low. We want to look at some things on the 5 minute time frame for sure. So what I see here was there was low resistance liquidity that price does seem to be coming for before we head back down to the downside. So we have those highs right there, and then this clear draw right there. I wouldn't be surprised to see price push up to up here and then make its reversal down to take out this low resistance liquidity as well. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty high resistance liquidity though. But as you guys can see, we formed a 5 minute bearish SMT at these highs right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go, because I don't even know if there's any news today, and if there is, I definitely want to be aware of that. News is important. The other day I didn't get cooked up. I didn't have to learn a lesson, but I definitely had no idea PMI was at the time that I was in a trade. Helped me make some bread though, for sure. So there's nothing today. What is Trump talking about? No idea. Will that make the market chop? Maybe. It might. So we have this 1 minute inverse, or have this 1 minute fair value gap. We will see if price can begin to respect these PD arrays. Even if we do, it's okay, because like I said, we're still going to be looking for shorts as long as the SMT holds on the higher time frame. I like the way these shorts are looking. Just right now, there's not much of an entry on these. So we could also enter on the inverse. Maybe doing something like this. Stops at these highs. First TP right there. Not gonna get ahead of ourselves though. Definitely just gonna wait. But I do like the way the shorts are starting to set up, especially on ES here. I do like the way the shorts are starting to set up. There is a setup on ES. Matter of fact, after we inverse that, we could take ES shorts down, or just sell NQ with the higher stop, maybe, because my trade copier is definitely not ready for ES, bro. Breaking news covered in shoes. My savages will hurt you the worst when your brothers don't turn you on. Will hurt you the worst when your brothers don't turn you up. Will hurt you the worst when your brothers don't turn you on. Made it out of the drug game. Shit passed me out. Damn, bro. I haven't slept at all, bro. I fucking dude, like, oh. I don't know what would be happening to me, but every time I try to go to sleep and I'm like super tired, my body starts like tweaking, bro. Like my shit start tweaking. I have like mini shroom trips and stuff like that whenever I'm trying to sleep and I'm dog tired. Like my body will like try to shock myself back awake. Try to shock my shit back awake, bro. I'd be like, oh shit. I'm gonna be risking about 400 on here. anywhere through there is gonna be like 6 or 7 contracts, so we could really just take a market order short with 7 cons. So we are seeing that we inverse this 1 minute on ES. We inverse this 1 minute on ES, but NQ is heading to take out these highs. That's the thing sometimes, that NQ is obviously way more volatile than ES is, and oh snap, dude. ES is way more volatile than NQ is, so it's kind of like a game in and of itself trying to take the right pair. But I usually only trade NQ because if the trade's gonna work out, it's gonna work out. If you put your stop loss in a good place, then you're not gonna have to worry about that. But this is why we're just simply patient in our trades. We're not just jumping into everything, jumping into anything that we see. But like I said, if this why my ears wilding right now. My ears wilding. Okay. Well, I don't mind the push here, creating more structure. You know what I'm saying? We still haven't taken out none of those. There's still plenty of targets for us to go for. We did tap into this this previously unmitigated 1 hour. Still have SMT at these highs though, so if it's shorts or nothing today, shorts or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have time for price to come all the way up here. So our if we don't get shorts today, then probably just not take a trade because I gotta be out of the house in like 30 minutes. I really shouldn't even be trading today. I really shouldn't be, bro. I don't have time to be on the charts today, bro. But I need money. I need it. I need it. I'm like salivating at the now. Bro, will this video get copyrighted if I play music, bro? I doubt. I don't think I have a big enough YouTube channel for that, bro. But I think like YouTube is just like automatically shut it down on some stuff. Open them up. Whatever, bro. My YouTube channel's not big anyway. Who cares? I'm seeing what's happening. What's happening here? What's happening here? You know what I'm saying? Oh, what's happening here, eh? Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. That's some displacement for sure. We're looking to take some shorts on NQ, boys. Please just go up just a tad bit, bro. I don't want to enter all the way down here. This be a main problem that, like, we get an entry and then NQ just fucking just dumps, bro. Just fucking dumps down, bro. It's like impossible to get an entry on this shit. Like, it'd be impossible to get an entry on this shit, bro. If we come down here, we just gotta do like a. Yeah, we just have to do 5, bro. Market order at 5. So what do we do if we come down here? 0.08. Come up a little bit, bro. Give me a better entry than that. You know you want to give it to me. Maybe you don't, because I know you want to go down, so you might just want to flip, bro.
Order submitted.
What the fuck? Oh, okay. I'm about to say, like, damn. I was tweaking. I was tweaking for a second for sure. Alright, we're gonna take off 4 cons here. At the 1 hour fair value gap. Take off 4 at the 1 hour fair value gap. Turn the fucking music off right now. Where are my like lines and shit at for this, bro? I'm tweaking right now. I can't even think, bro. Horizontal tool, taking a little bit off. At that line, bro. I can't even like think, bro. Like, this is insane. I didn't mean for it to be like that hectic, bro. That was just a lot. After we inverse the gap, after we inverse this 1 minute right here, it'll probably come up here still and fill this gap. And if we see a rejection from this fair value gap, we will add another position, because usually price, that's what it likes to do, is come up and kind of edge my stop loss a little bit, because my entries are usually so bad. Excuse me. Come up and edge my entries a little bit because my entries are so bad. But our stop loss is like right above that fair value gap. I would like it better if it was above these highs right here. But it's all right. Can't really do nothing about it now. Still gives it plenty of room, you know what I'm saying? Still gives it plenty of room, and we can also add another position because we have this fair value gap right here. Have this fair value gap right here. If we see this one get respected as well, this is also a good spot to get an ad going. If we tap into that fair value gap, reject it, then we will add another position and then put our stop loss. I can't figure out like my cursor thing, but we'll put our stop loss like above these highs. Got to get through this first, though, man. Got to get through this first. Gotta. Come on, dude. Are you serious, bro? You're just gonna keep making me lose connection like that? Oh, yeah, we're gonna lose way more. I don't know, we should be straight. We should be straight. It's alright, guys. Even if we do end up losing this position, I really do. I love the trade that we had. I love the opportunity we gave ourselves. I don't mind the shorts, bro. I followed everything I said I'd do. Yeah, if we inverse this fair value gap, obviously we're gonna get stopped out. But I'm risking way more than I would like to be on my PA Apex account. I am down right now about $500, and I'm like hella ticks away from my stop. So like hella ticks away from my stop. Like hella ticks. But last thing I want to do is close this position, bro. And technically speaking, the trade's still valid, even though we're probably cooked, bro. Who knows? One thing I learned about trading ICT concepts, though, is that price is going to go where it goes over time. And in the middle, all of that stuff is just noise. But it's hard to look at. I'm losing so much money, bro. I'm down like $1,000 right now. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Technically speaking, with me doing all the right analysis, entering when I'm supposed to, and not chasing a trade, I haven't lost a trade with doing everything correct. With doing everything correct, I have not lost a trade. So, yeah, I'd be lying to you guys if I said I wasn't nervous. Like I can't even breathe, bro. I'm shaking. Like for what though? Did I not accept the risk? I did accept the risk. It's just like this is a lot more than I was anticipating to put on. So, oh well. What am I gonna do, right? If we do end up losing this trade, I'm pretty sure our account will be back to break even. Yeah, I'm pretty sure our account will be like back to break even or something like that. But I would have loved to have my stops at these highs. I don't think that this PD array is gonna get respected on the 1 minute. So we'll see how it goes, bro. But it's not looking too good at all. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not gonna be good for us. That's just it. It's not gonna be good. It would take a miracle from Jesus Christ himself. Drake. Let's not start chanting Drake's name. Not yet. that's when we're really in desperate needs, bro. As of right now, I don't think even Drake could save us. This isn't this isn't like the best, bro. Because like I said, I'm not even worried about adding as of right now, but I wanted to get an add in at this inverse right here, at this fair value gap. I wanted to get an add in at this fair value gap potentially. But now since we created market structure up here, this will be a valid spot for our stops. So there's no real other spot for us to put our stop loss at other than at those highs, and I'd be risking more than I would like to be. Because when I get an add, I like to have a spot to move my stop loss to. So we'll probably add somewhere if we're going to be near break even. If we can move break even after. But we got an inverse. We got an inverse.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay, NQ. You got that. Yeah. You got that for sure. You got that for sure. Hey, I don't know what that was, but yeah, that was definitely Drake in the wrong way though. The wrong way. It's alright. Lost about hella bread. Lost hella bread with that. Our account is back at break even now. We're about $48 in profit. Oh shit. $48 in profit, bro. I'm gonna have to edit that out. I don't want my broker in here. Every time I lose, bro, I just be staring at the markets, bro. Like, come on, dude. Well, needless to say, I am not in the position to take another trade for the day. So that will be the only trade for the day. Shorts look good. I like the way the shorts looked. I was just kind of just following. Yeah, kind of just following like our daily profile or whatever. ER at IRL. Took out external range liquidity. Excuse me. Since we took out external range liquidity, I should expect to move back down to internal range liquidity. Very simple. It's not going to work out every day. How many days in a row can I ask for it to work out? I'm going to just show a little something. Show a little something real quick. Open up the dome. Yeah. What is that, bro? So every single day since July 22nd, every single one of these days should have been a $1,500 win or more. The only reason that it's not is because I have been making mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake. So that's literally the difference between $2,300 profit and $15,000 profit was me. It was just me. So I'm gonna continue to do me, even though I'm definitely just coping right now because I'm low-key sick, bro, but there's nothing I can do, bro. Like, that was the first real loss I've taken in weeks, bro. First real loss. It's alright though. Count back at break even. Definitely gonna be done for the day. I don't know if we're gonna be done for the week though. For the day, we're definitely done. About $1,700 profit. Yeah, bro. It's pretty obvious we were simply just wrong today. It's all good. Alright. Kind of break even. I'll see y'all boys whenever I see y'all. I come here every time, bro.